Well, it's Sunday, and I still don't feel all that great, but it's a nice, pretty day. I'm tired of being stuck on the couch, so I come down here this morning. Seams sealed around inside the struts. I'm gonna try to get this welded in here, early spotted in. Probably won't be a whole lot of talking in this video. Don't know how long it's gonna be. Don't feel real hot today, so I'm just gonna do until I can't, and then I'll go back upstairs and rest. But we'll see what we can get done. Basically, you just want to come in here and spot weld this. You don't want to get your panel hot, because if you get it hot, you'll warp it. But as you can see, I just welded this literally like seconds ago. And the way I tack this, it's more towards the thick side than thin, so it keeps from putting a lot of heat into this. So now I can go in here with a flat disc and just slightly hit this. We should be okay. And I'll work on putting this back piece in. Alright, I went in there and I spot welded that one in. Like I said, you just want to make sure you don't put too much heat in sheet metal. It will warp. I want to start working on getting this side in to match this side. Alright, and after I get all that fitted up, I come in here. We had a little gap here between the level of this and this. So, come in here and I've been working a little 2-inch band in. Just so I'd make a door. And eventually this will open like this. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I don't think I can do any more today. So hopefully I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day.